Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. You must have all understood by now that what am I talking about? Yes, today I'll talk about marigold flower. The flowers that you're seeing right now are grown from the winter flower seeds. It is a common grown flower of India. It is a very important flower as it is extensively used on religious and social function. As these marigolds are of winter variety, that's why the flower is quite small. My mom checks the plant every day and they might have caught powdery mildew. What my mom has done for this is removed all the infected and damaged leaves. As well as she also removed all the mulching, as you can see. My mom is also cutting the old dry flowers. Whatever you do, as this is a winter variety, this plant won't survive long. To get rid of the mildew infection, first you need to remove all the mulching. After removing the mulching, remove all the infected dry leaves and also remove all the dry flowers on the plant. Then remove all the leaves that are touching the soil. As rainy season is around the corner, it is best to sow some of the seeds of the marigold plant. Also, one more thing that my mom did to get rid of this mildew infection is, first she collected some neem leaves and washed thoroughly in the water like this. Then all you have to do is boil, and the water that you get after boil, you just have to spray it on the plant. Today, I will tell you how you can grow some new plants with some old mature flowers. You must have watched our winter videos. In there you saw we had varieties of these marigold flowers. That time my mom had collected some mature, fresh, dry flowers and then kept them in a cool place. Sowing of marigold can be done round the year. In rainy season, do sowing in mid-June and transplanting in mid-July. To get late flowering, do sowing in mid of September and in mid-October. In here she has 50% garden soil and 50% kitchen waste compost. It's for sowing the seeds. My mom is just spreading the seeds like this. Then we just have to cover up it with some soil. After that you just have to do some deep irrigation. Then wait for 2 weeks. Also keep in mind that the soil should not get dry. You have to water it. With this, you can grow a lot of flowers in your garden. Also, you can go to the nursery and get a baby plant. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.